Have you ever come across somebody who's got a magnetic personality and everything that he seems to do, he's very successful in it? Hi, I am Mithal Doshi and I am a women entrepreneur and I help women to build a business around their passion and monetize it so that we can all live a freedom lifestyle. Have you always felt that you are stuck in life and somebody somewhere is very successful? Why do you think this happens? Have you ever noticed that everything in the universe keeps on changing? Like the rivers are always flowing, the clouds keep on changing its form, the sky changes its color. You would never find yourself anytime stuck in a situation wherein the seasons don't change or the weathers don't change. So you've guessed it right. Just notice how easy it is for a child to learn how to walk, how to crawl, how to ride a bicycle. And as he grows older, he'll start riding a bike, and as he still grows older, he'll shift his energy into driving. As a child to his adulthood, he's been growing, evolving and trying new experiments. But there is an odd behavior among adults. As we become adults, we tend to resist change. There's a lot of society pressure coming into, there's a lot of maturity striking in, and we just become slower on our decision making capabilities. And do you know what happens? We are a part of universe, and everything in the universe keeps on moving. And when you slow down your energy, you tend to go against the law of universe. And when you do this, you are blocking the flow of energy or the flow of prosperity into your life. Just notice our strange behavior. If there has been a past trouble, we just resist taking a decision on that path. Like a wrong business deal, and we would hold ourselves making another new business deal. In case we've done some wrong investment in the past, we would not make any new investments in the future. We tend to hold ourselves back. And it is the pressure of our conditioning and how we've been brought up. But the same thing when you see it in children, they've been growing, experimenting and evolving. But as soon as they come into adulthood, there is an absolute odd behavior happening. And when this odd behavior strikes in, we are operating from a zone of fear. We operate from our old paradigms, we operate from our social conditioning, and when we operate from the zone of fear, we are blocking new energy or the new prosperity that is coming in. And just look at the next door person who's got an electrifying personality, and everything seems to be happening right in his life. He attracts smart people, he attracts a lot of money in his life, and lot of abundance, lot of happiness. It's because he's in alignment with the universe. He keeps on making decisions, he keeps on experimenting, and he keeps on moving. And when action happens, when newer things keep on happening, new opportunities do come to us, and new flow of energy would also start coming in. So next time you feel that you are stuck in any situation, instead of thinking about that situation from the past fear zone, start taking decision that scares you the most. Start experimenting, start taking a little risk and see how easily does your life change. So like and share this video with your friends so that somebody else too can learn from it. And if you're on my channel for the first time, subscribe and hit on the notification bell so that you don't miss any further videos.